सीधे ले चलते हैं आपको बेंगलुरु, जहां विपक्ष की प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस चल रही है।
Respected Rahul Gandhi ji, respected Rahul Gandhi leader, senior leader Sharad Pawar ji, Shri Sharad Pawar ji, West Bengal Chief Minister, West Bengal Mamata Banerjee, and CPM leader and Sitaram Yechuri ji, CPM leader Sitaram Yechuri ji, Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal ji, Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal ji, Bhagwant Singh Mann ji, Punjab Chief Minister Bhagwant Singh Mann ji, Jharkhand Chief Minister Hemant Soren ji, Karnataka Chief Minister Sri Siddaramaiah ji, D. राजा जी, वाई को नहीं आए शायद। So all the leaders on the dais, because there is short of time and many leaders want to go their respective destination, therefore they are requesting this should be summed up as early as possible because their flights are right time. So they will pardon me who are sitting here, whose names I have not mentioned. But still, the all 26 party leaders were present in the meeting, including Sonia Gandhi ji, our respected leader, and all senior 26 party leaders, Nitish Kumar, Lalu Prasad, all were there because their flight is in time, they have gone. So friends, this is a very important meeting for the purpose to save the democracy and constitution, and in the interest of people of this country, we have come together, discussed various points, and with one voice, people supported the resolution that will be circulated to you after the meeting, and the details are there. Our alliance will be called, the all people have agreed to have one name for the alliance. Earlier we worked with UPA. Now, with all 26 parties, a new name is given, that is Indian National Developmental Inclusive Alliance, that is INDIL, and this is Indian National Developmental Inclusive Alliance. So everybody agreed for this, and unanimously this name is given, and everybody is happy with this name. So I thank you very much them, because I'm the host state, and it is a great achievement for us that all 26 parties together, they solved many problems of the country. This is second. And third is 11-member coordination committee will be set up. That we will decide shortly, and we are going to meet again in Maharashtra, Mumbai. There we will discuss the names of the coordinators, and 11-member name will be announced there. And the date will also be announced shortly for Mumbai, this meeting. Fourthly, this one secretariat will be set up for campaign management, and other committees on a specific issue will be set up mostly in Delhi, because Delhi is a capital place and it will be convenient for everybody. Fifth is a joint statement after today's meeting was approved, and this is being circulated, just I told earlier, and our friends will circulate to you. Sixth is a next meeting will be held in Bombay, I told, and really I am thankful to all the leaders, those who have come from various parties, here 26 parties. They gave very good suggestions, and particularly today's situation that the BJP government wants to destroy the democracy in this country, and also they want to destroy the constitution. They are using the autonomous bodies like CBI and ED, vigilance, all such institutions they are using against opposition party leaders and their workers. Therefore, there is a grave situation. To save this situation, we have come together, and country is important for us. Though we have got some differences in each state politically, but that is, we have kept that behind, not front. The front is only to how to save the country and people of this country. That is the issue before us, and that our leaders have shown. We should be together in the interest of the country, and they gave many suggestions, and we have accepted, and we will continue to follow it. Another thing is, earlier, first we met in Patna. There nearly 16 parties were there. Now 26 parties have joined, because some people did not come there, and many of the people came to Bangalore, and today 26 people, the parties have joined. After seeing everything, now Modi ji is calling NDA meeting with 30 parties. I don't know where 30 parties are there, whether they are registered parties in Election Commission, or whether I have not heard, because I am also in the Parliament, in the Rajya Sabha, here also, I have not heard so many parties in India, and that too 30 parties with NDA. They are also holding meeting. And earlier they never cared even their own alliance. They never used to talk even them. Many people left, but now one by one he is calling, and they are meeting, and their party president is also going each state, and in one party several divisions were there. बहुत से टुकड़े टुकड़े हो गए थे. वो पूरे टुकड़ों को जोड़ने का काम मोदी जी अब कर रहे हैं. He is doing it now. So it means that He is now afraid of opposition parties. Otherwise, there was no necessity for him. He never bothered. This is one thing. And secondly, our people gathered here, they're not for to become something. They want to save democracy and constitution and to fight against the unemployment, inflation. So many issues are there. So all those issues in the interest of country we'll take and we'll fight. Now, our aim will be to take important issues one by one and we'll highlight, we'll move throughout the states, entire country with all these issues and also highlighting the failure of the government. Therefore, I don't want to say much. This is our aim, and when some proposal came for our keeping the name and other things, I'm happy everybody, Rahul ji, Mamata Banerjee, and everybody, those who are sitting here, they all agreed. This is the first achievement of our alliance agreeing for the name. And friends, I don't want to take much of your times. Today we are facing many issues, including media also, because all media are captured by Modi, and without their isara or signal, nobody moves. I have seen, because many meetings I have conducted, I have seen, and even earlier in my 52 years of political active life, I have not seen such hostile information against us or against the opposition parties and suppressing the opposition leaders. So anyway, we have to fight, we'll fight and we'll move together, and I hope we'll succeed in this, and all youngsters, farmers, MSME people, everybody is fed up, and even freedom of speech and everything, you know it. That's why many people don't write. Even if they write something, they will say, ye unke vichar hai. Every paper will say, they are his opinion. And even newspaper also, they don't want to own it, the statement or written, whatever the articles they write. So this is the situation. So we have to come out from this, and 2024 election, we will fight unitedly and will come out with great success. Therefore, once again, I thank all leaders, those who are sitting here, and I also thank you for waiting nearly 2 hours for hearing some good news from our Indian National Development Inclusive Alliance. Once again, I will repeat, Indian National Developmental Inclusive Alliance. This is the name we have given. There is a lot of meaning in this, and I hope everybody will see this name and properly, because sometimes it happens, जरा लिखते वक्त इधर उधर लिख जाते हैं और शुरू से ही कमेंट भी हो जाता है, तो इसीलिए मैं बार बार पढ़ रहा हूँ. I am also writing this, speaking this. This is good for the country. This name emerged today, and I thank you very much, all of you, and also I thank you, persons, leaders who are sitting on the dais. Thank you, one and all.
शुक्रिया खड़गे जी। मैं अभी पश्चिम बंगाल के मुख्यमंत्री ममता बनर्जी जी से गुजारिश करूंगा कि आपको संबोधित करें।
थैंक यू सो मच। जस्ट नाउ खारगे जी ने आप लोगों को बताया, he has already mentioned everything whatever we discussed in the meeting. Here also all the chief ministers, including Udhav, ex-chief minister, even I don't say ex-chief minister. Tomorrow they will be again coming. Arvind ji, Sitaram ji, Raja, Hemant, Maan, Sitaramaiah ji, Ramesh ji, DK, our favorite Rahul Gandhi, Sharad Pawar ji, and all my youngsters who are sitting behind the dais, they are the future. So I thanks to everybody and thanks the Indian press, international, national, state and regional. It was constructive, fruitful, and I think from today, it's a real challenge. We already started. हमारा जो अलायंस मीन्स जो 26 पार्टी का मीटिंग हुआ, इसमें तैयार हुआ। पहले आप यूपीए के नाम सुना, एनडीए तो अभी भी है, लेकिन एग्जिस्टेंस नहीं है। इसी के लिए आने वाला दिन देश में जो जिंदगी खतरा में है, चाहे दलित हो, चाहे माइनॉरिटी हो, चाहे हिंदू हो, चाहे मुस्लिम हो, चाहे सिख हो, चाहे ईसाई हो, चाहे मणिपुर हो, चाहे अरुणाचल हो,